Folks, in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a similar figure to another figure so that it will be enlarged. So now in this case we want to draw a figure that's similar to this figure, but in this case its base will extend from here to here. So let's call it, this is AB, but then we want a figure that was similar to this one in such a way that its base extends from, okay, let's say extend from A to C. This should be C here. Now in this case all you need to do is the first thing to do is basically you are going to draw the polygon, and then you are going to radiate lines from that one edge of the polygon to all the other sides. So and that will be the diagonal. So in this case you don't need to radiate anyone. So assuming this is polygon A, D, E, F. So all you need to do is radiate lines from A to D, A to E, A to F, and A to B. So A to B is already done, it's already an outline. Now the next step is to draw a line which is parallel to this line. So basically I will extend these radiations outside because we are making this an enlarged figure, right? So I will extend it outside. And next step is to draw a line outside this line which is parallel to this line. So draw a line outside BF which is parallel to BF. Let's draw a line outside BF parallel to BF. Then we have the line outside BF which is parallel to BF. So you keep doing that. So now the next step, you now go to FE. Draw a line outside FE parallel to FE. So but it must also touch these points. So let's do that. Now we also go to ED. Draw a line outside ED which is parallel to ED. So doing that, we have this here. So finally you now draw a line, you extend AD, and then when it cuts that line, that would be the new shape. So basically this is when you taking the lines, you will have your new shape. So your new shape will also be similar to the initial shape, but it is bigger than it. So basically this is also known as the enlarging of the figure, by drawing a figure similar to another figure but bigger than it. So this is the process doing that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.